What's up, YouTubers? Rich from 2RC Productions here. And usually about once a year, we do our own family car show in the backyard. And this year we have a new member of the car show, and that is Megan's Ford Explorer ST. And that's also Megan's 03 Jeep Wrangler. The ST is more of the family car. The Wrangler is purchased for her, but we all enjoy it. And then we got the 2001 Mustang Bullitt. We got the 2000 Mustang GT, which is Richie's, my son's. And then we got the 2001 Mustang GT, which is Ryan's, also my son's. So it's cool that we all have new edges and we all share in the hobby together. So we'll kind of go through and just show exhaust, what we have here. Ryan had stock exhaust up till recently, and now he has stock H-pipe cats in place with Flowmaster Flow FX mufflers. So it's a straight through design, and it has packing in it. So go ahead in there, Ryan, give a couple reps. Ryan's is the quietest of the three, but it's starting to get a little bit louder, but it has a nice tone. You can really hear the 4.6. It's got a really nice sound to it. Okay, and now moving on to Richie's. Richie's has just a muffler delete going on. So he has his cats in place, but basically he's got some big 3-inch MagnaFlow exhaust tips, and mufflers are taken out, so he has straight pipe in there. Go ahead, Ray. Give a couple little reps. You can hear Richie's is quite a bit louder. It sounds really nice, though. Really nice. You would never guess that it's just a muffler delete. Sounds really good. All right, and then moving on to my 2001 Mustang Bullitt. Mine sounds a little bit different, as you can tell, because I have MHS Stage 2 cams. But I have off-road H-pipe, and I have Jones full-bore mufflers, which are a 2-chamber style muffler like a Flowmaster, and stock catback. So basically the stock tailpipe, stock Bullitt exhaust tips. Go ahead in there, Ryan, give it a couple reps. Mine's probably, in comparison to Richie's, is probably about the same volume, but obviously mine has a different sound because it's a chamber muffler. So just want to give you guys a little view. It's pretty cool that all three of us have the Mustangs. It's pretty awesome. We got a decent enough size yard that we can do this once in a while. And we got some videos on Megan's ST, and we have a couple videos on the 03 Jeep Wrangler. We don't have too many videos on that, but we got a couple of new ones on the Explorer ST. Pretty amazing vehicle. So, all right, that's it. Until next time, Rich from 2RC Productions here, signing out. Just want to give you a little overview of our fleet and a little exhaust sample. We haven't done that in a while. Thanks for watching.